Enfranchisement goes back a ways, all the way back to common law.
Richmond public law librarian Charlie Schmidt teaches seminars on restoring voting rights to people previously convicted of a crime.
The way it works in Virginia is, according to the Constitution, the power to restore somebody's right to vote, or their civil rights, as we call it, is granted solely to the governor.
In a workshop this week, he walks attendees through an online application and explains how the process works in other states across the country. According to the ACLU, Virginia is one of the few that does not automatically restore voting rights upon completion of a sentence.
I was able to knock on doors, get people registered to vote, help others with the process, but I could not use my voice in things that mattered to me and my family.
Sheba Williams, founder of No Left Turns, a reentry program for people leaving prison, went through the process herself.
I was wrongfully convicted of a crime in 2004, and I lost my right to vote for 9 years. I was only sentenced to 5 years of probation, but because of the laws around fines, fees, and restitution, I was disenfranchised for about 9 years.
Because it's not automatic, people convicted of a crime have to file a petition in order to vote again.
Things like getting your rights restored, voting, being civically engaged, help you boost your confidence. It helps you build your ability to engage in the world, and it gives you that sense of pride, gives you that sense of redemption. It's part of your ability to come back into society and be an active, upstanding member of society.
The idea of what a vote is and what democracy is, it is connected to anything that you care about. That means if you need street lights on your street, if you need school lunch to determine who qualifies, all of the things that matter to us are tied into a vote.
If you need help filing your application for civil rights restoration, another workshop will take place in May, or you can call the Richmond Public Law Library at 804-646-7685. Bree Season, CBS 6 News.